Hey there, just a short video to show a proof of concept on being able to control a servo motor with hand gestures. So what I have here is the motor, and you can see that I'm going to control it like this, so it's jogging positive, or if I wanted to stop it, I come back here and then I can jog it negative like this. Right? So what's going on the screen? I'm gonna tell you. So here is the motor. In case that you didn't notice, it's turning there whenever I do those hand gestures, and here I have a actual position, right? So the actual position is also being displayed, and over here in the top right, you can see the current status of is the motor jogging positive, negative, or is it in standstill. So going back again to the hand gestures, you can see my hands are being tracked via software there. If I wanted to, for example, jog positive, I would do this. If I wanted to stop, I go back and do this, and then I can do jog negative like this, and you can see the change in the actual position. Stop, jog a little bit more, stop, and then jog positive a little bit more. Let's go back closer to 0, and then we'll stop around there, let's say. Yeah, I overshoot for a little bit, but anyways, the idea was to share this proof of concept with you, so we can get the ideas flowing and take advantage of all of these wonderful libraries that are out there on the internet for all of us to use. So hope you enjoy this content, and hopefully you will come up with some nice ideas to implement. Thank you.